Guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video, guys, we'll be working here on a Ford Focus MK3 generation 2012 to 2018, and we'll show you where to find the fuse for the active grille shutter. So let me guys introduce you to the channel. We have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel. We have very helpful information that will save you so much money in the long run. So hit that subscribe button. If you need help with anything, drop a comment below the video and we'll try our best to make a video for your problem. So now, active grille shutters, okay, not all of the Focuses will be equipped with that, but if it is and you get a engine light or a code for it, always check the fuse, and we'll show you where it's located now. So we need to open the hood, locate the fuse box under the hood now, right here in the engine compartment. There is a clip that you push in and you pull up. Okay, remove that cover. It has two clips on the front that kind of like need to push out a little bit. Okay, you can see where they go in the holes. Now on the back side you can see the different fuse numbers, and you can also see the little fuse numbers next to the fuses, but they're hard to read. So we need to locate fuse number 35, F35, which is this fuse here on the very bottom row. The second one from right to left. This is a relay, fuse 36, 35. We need to check 35. In our case it should be a 5 amp fuse. We're going to use the fuse puller here to remove the fuse. Okay, just spread it like that, grab it and then push on the front and pull the fuse out. Like that. And you can usually check by looking at them if they're burnt or not. You can also check them with a voltmeter if you need to. We have the video how to check fuses, guys, on the channel, because sometimes you think that it's actually a bad fuse, but it's a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, and that could cause you so much trouble. So I'll get a replacement one now. Okay, and when you install it, you need to make sure that the fuse goes in the right holes, okay, and it doesn't go in too hard. Okay, it needs to be like with a little bit of a push, otherwise you're going to bend something and you could damage something really bad. Okay, just like that. And next, don't forget to install your fuse puller, because if you do, guys, next time you need it, okay, it's not going to be there and you won't be able to pull a fuse. So just like that. After that, all you have to do, snap the box, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll have more than 200 videos on that Ford Focus and other cars as well. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and see you next time.